So I'm here with Team Dhamaka. क्या धमाकेदार performance है film में, I have to say. Are you happy now? Karthik was very nervous.
I was nervous because you said we'll talk about it. I asked her, ki, did you see the film? Yes. So she didn't say anything then. Then she said, we'll talk about it.
Pointless statement, we'll talk about it.
Thank God.
Coming to sir, पहले तो आपसे मैं पूछ लूँ ये रघुवीर का जो voice है उसको कास्ट करने में क्या हुआ? Like how difficult was that to get that voice? Because you know मेरे लिए वो hero था because his voice was something that makes the whole
मानना पड़ेगा.
situation like.
मानना
We
पड़ेगा.
finally have to, after this, I will call Soham and
Yeah.
Yes.
because he has not
Finally
been part of any of the marketing. Or
I just spoke to him yesterday.
Yeah. When I saw him in Kabir Singh, right, as the friend, I messaged him. Because whenever I see any actor, I message them directly. I messaged him and he messaged me back saying, I want to come and meet you. Then he came and met me. Then I said, I want to work with this man. Then when the opportunity came, we said, would you like to do this role? And then when you get Soham on, Soham comes from not just Stanislavski, he comes from Grotowski, he comes from
हरी
Brecht,
किताबें पता
he
थी
comes
उसे.
from everything. So when you, and then he's there, and then when he like starts getting into the role, it is a privilege to see it because he takes it so seriously and so sincerely. He was obviously, because it was live, right? We were shooting, like all the voice was live. So for him to be interacting without seeing Karthik, but just on the voice, and he's there in the next place, which is the next studio, and then he would say, Sir, ye isme sab light off kar dijiye. So I don't want the AC, I want to be hot, I want to feel the character. He takes his work very, very seriously. And just watching it is,
It's inspiring.
it's very inspiring just to see him. And let's just hope that he gets the credit and the due and recognition that he absolutely deserves.
The best part is you can't see him.
Yeah.
And still, when he makes a mark, because
Does that.
first thing that comes to my mind is him, not any of you here. So, can you imagine what he has done?
Oh, well done.
So yeah.
Yes.
Well done.
Supan,
Yeah.
what a great way to begin the session. I'm
Yeah.
so
Yes.
happy.
Yeah.
I can't
Yeah.
And also because I have spoken to Ramsa when the trailer released, I know the way he works, you know. So yeah. So when you said
thought, yeah.
no, I know.
Yeah.
So you know, all of you committed to that kind of working because that is not the regular way of filmmaking. How was that?
A dream come true for me because I come from theatre. So for me, you know this. हाँ क्या?
Play चल रहा है.
प्ले चल रहा है हाँ एंड यू नो व्हाट नहीं तो फिल्म करते वक्त हमेशा आई हैड टू माय थिंकिंग स्टाइल इज लाइक थिएटर की एक ग्राफ में जाओ ना सो इसके पहले जब फिल्म में करती थी तो आई हैड टू वो कंप्लीट ग्राफ मैं ध्यान में रखती थी तो ये सीन अब कौन से ग्राफ में ये कहाँ आ रहा है कैसे जा रहा है वो क्या माइंडसेट है उसको फिर आप थियोरेटिकली सोच के आप उस खुद को वहाँ पे ढकेल रहे हो यू नो इन काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग here he is helping you with everything like you're just reacting when he says acting is about reacting he is giving you that atmosphere right I mean so what I'm doing is just flowing with it as I do on stage and there is no कि भाई बाद में close लेना है तो कई बार ऐसे लगता है यार जो वहाँ हुआ वो यहाँ नहीं हुआ you know वो हमेशा का एक conflict है हर एक्टर को लगता रहता है शायद मुझे पता नहीं बाकियों को भी उस टेक में जो किया था ना वो यहाँ नहीं because of course we are not machines right so every time वो नहीं हो पाता तो सर का जो ये मेथड है वो मेरे लिए तो ड्रीम कम ट्रू था
यू नो और एक एक्टर के लिए बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है कि टेक के बीच में टचअप्स ना हो बहुत क्योंकि वो फ्लो वो रिदम टूट जाता है वो नहीं फील होता है जो एक्चुअली वो फील जो करना ज़रूरी है और सौम्या के सीन्स थ्रू दैट ईयर पीस जो वो कम्युनिकेट कर रही है वो इतने इम्पैक्टफुल नहीं होते अगर कार्तिक मुझे simultaneously क्यों नहीं फीड नहीं कर रहे होते in my ears. So I think that entire scenario, the entire situation, the aura was so beautiful for an actor and I crave for it. I crave to work with him again, with Karthik again, with Amruta again because I just feel like it's not enough. And when an actor feels that, trust me, it's the best feeling in the world.
It was a dream for me. For an actor to just be in a room and to have 7, 8 or 10 cameras on you and you have to perform and it's with you have to just go for it. you know, it's a dream. You live for that. You want that. You want that kind of a character. You want that kind of a film जिसमें आपको ऐसा performance देने का मौका मिले. तो so I think that was it for me. I enjoyed it to another level. I had like Ram sir जितना भी इन्होंने 360 सिस्टम में मैं हमेशा इनसे कभी शुरुआत में पूछने लगा था फर्स्ट डे कि सर कैमरा है कहाँ, मुझे नहीं समझ आ रहा बिकॉज देयर वाज अ रिकॉर्डिंग कैमरा विच वाज अ पार्ट ऑफ द सीन. सो आई थॉट कि वो कैमरा तो ठीक है, दैट इज नॉट द मेन कैमरा, दैट इज नॉट, बट इट वाज आल्सो रिकॉर्डिंग द होल सीन. सो देयर वर n number of cameras around the room and they were capturing
Big Boss scene है ये
they
तो.
were capturing everything. Yeah, and there was a Soham who had a separate room and he had created that room which was a dark room for
घास था, बकरी थी.
कुछ नहीं, बस वो तरापे से कवर करके एक रूम था जिसमें एक टेबल थी. It's never in the film. But he created that
Just for
the feel.
Wow, I
and
didn't
वो
know
एक
this.
हाँ, so there was a table जिसमें सोहम बैठा था, एक टेबल फैन था, एक लैंप था, सिर्फ वही रोशनी आ रही थी उससे. There was a CCTV footage on his laptop of my room. तो वो देख के वो
The way he's meant to be seeing him.
which is the way he's meant to be seeing me.
Yeah.
And वो उस तरीके से मुझे देखता था और वहाँ से मुझसे बात कर रहा है वो फोन कॉल पे, लैंडलाइन पे, और जिससे वो बात कर रहा है और मैं उससे कॉन्वर्सेशन कर रहा हूँ.
So there is a connection which is actually there from, it's not a mobile, there's a connection which is there. So because on mobile it may come and go, so and that is there as part of the system that everybody can hear.
Imagine the most beautiful thing is that it was never a part of the film, but it was there for the actor just to have that performance. And वो performance भी सिर्फ voice के लिए कि उसके voice के लिए वो performance
that
के लिए
made
वो
all the
बनाया गया
difference.
था.
It made all the
It
difference.
made all
Made
the difference.
How do you react when you read something about yourself or see something about yourself on media?
I mean, I've gotten used to the idea कि कई बार कई चीज़ें blown out of proportion होती हैं. कई बार ऐसी सिचुएशन आती है जहाँ पे वो थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा हो जाता है and it's laugh worthy sometimes. But I respect the fact that it's a 24/7 job. Of course, there are certain areas where you feel sometimes कि यार ये न्यूज़ क्यों इतनी बढ़ा दी, या ये वाली न्यूज़ में इतना कुछ था नहीं लेकिन बिना बात के ये हो गया. तो दैट इज़ पार्ट एंड पार्सल ऑफ आवर लाइफ. आई थिंक आई हैव जस्ट गॉटन यूज्ड टू इट नाउ, सो इट डजंट बॉदर मी इनफ.
Okay, coming to you. Okay, you are. I don't know what to say. You're so versatile. Every time I see you in a character, लगता है ये आप ही के लिए बना हुआ है. But tell me how hard it has been to reach here. What has been that path like?
आपने क्या खोया, क्या पाया?
Yes, nice, sir. Thank you. First of all, I'm grateful for your kind words. But yeah, मैंने क्या खोया है जो सर ने कहा ना, क्या खोया क्या पाया, because that is धमाका's tagline kind of a thing. तो मुझे लगता है कि शुरुआत में बहुत आपको slot किया जाता है. And then, you know, you have to just wait and just say no, no, no. So I've said no to work, then I have said yes to work. Because, you know, I didn't want to get slot कि भाई इस तरह के. तो
Stereotyped हो जाना बहुत आसान है.
Exactly. और एक cute face. You know, हमारे यहाँ मराठी में एक word है सोज्वळ. That means like सरल, एकदम simple लड़की, you know, girl next door, very nice, sweet. तो मुझे लगा यार ये मैं तोड़ना चाह रही हूँ. तो yeah, so I have done कुछ रोल्स जिसमें यू नो पति का मार खा रही है टाइप्स ना, एकदम गरीब, एंड दैट वाज आल्सो हिट बेचारी. फ्रॉम देयर कमिंग टू अंकिता, यू नो इट हैज़ बीन अ लॉट ऑफ सेइंग नो टू रोल्स विच माइट स्लॉट मी. आई हैव टेकन रिस्क्स, लाइक मेनी पीपल वर सेइंग गली बॉय, क्यों अभी तुम कितनी छोटी हो. रणवीर तो मुझे मजाक मजाक में कहता था कि एक्ट्रेसेस एज चुराती है, तुमने एज बढ़ा के बताया इस रोल के लिए, यू नो लाइक बिकॉज तुम तो मेरे एज की होगी, शायद मुझसे भी छोटी रहोगी. लाइक यू नो दे यूज टू मेक फन ऑफ मी कि क्या है. लेकिन मैंने वो रिस्क, जब मुझे एक आध किरदार अच्छा लगा है, मैंने वो रिस्क लिया है कि नहीं मुझे सब लोग कहने लगे कि इसके बाद शायद ये हो जाए. सो मैंने यूनिवर्स के साथ, एक तो मेरा अफेयर चलता रहता है, तो मैं यूनिवर्स को बताती हूँ नहीं ये तो नहीं होगा, मुझे इसके बाद आएगा, अलग रोल्स आएंगे.
Risk is, you know, seems like such a positive word.
Yeah.
But actually risk is something which you get scared about, right?
Full of fear.
It's
Yeah.
full of fear because even when you're talking about Ankita as a character, like you were scared, right? When you said yes, and how do you do it, etc. How do you deal with that?
Yeah, but somehow yes. That character is in front of me, I'm just with the mind of that character, and that makes me fearless. Because when I did Gully Boy, I wanted to utter that line when she says, "क्या तूने कभी सोचा है मुझे कैसे छूना है?" I wanted that line to come out of my mouth. I wanted to experience what makes you say that line. It still evokes emotion inside me. So likewise, when I read Ankita, I wanted how that cool dignity comes. Like, it's so unlike me. So my greed for going inside these minds deeply makes me fearless, I think. And I'm like, well, nothing will slot it. Like, now, see, as I was saying, Lily came to me, which is a seductress at the age I am. Like, it is said that you can seduce people in a particular kind of role, age. It was said for actresses particularly. Actors can seduce at any age, but actresses have a age. So I said, no, I don't take it. I don't take anything of this should be like this. This should be like this. There is no should in my.
You have been breaking every kind of stereotypes.
you.
And that's the best thing. And
So
that's why I
nice,
love you so much. Okay, this is my last question. This is just an observation, okay? And I want you, Rams, especially you and all of you to react to it. Whatever I felt, I'm just letting you guys know. So there were few lines like, हम news report नहीं करते, बेचते हैं. पहले channel, फिर journalism.
Who is saying all these lines?
या ब्लर्ब्स का मतलब क्या है? डराना, धमकाना, रुलाना या फिर टेंशन देना. Okay, so there are lines like that. See, I have come from the news business, okay? I have worked with the sharks and I know what is a PCR is. And I have sat there during a debate. No, we don't talk like that. But I know what you're trying to say, I know what you're trying to portray. I know how media sensationalizes things nowadays, and I get it. But yeah, we don't talk like that. So what do you have to say about that?
Well, I think that the first thing is that, yes, the film is based on and inspired by, I think, first of all. Two is that there are certain points of view in the film which come from different characters who are in conflict with each other. And those devices of these characters are meant to portray the plot about where the character finds himself eventually. And those are meant to therefore talk about certain things that the character does. So that, like I said earlier, I said character is what character does. And as far as the film is concerned, it has got to do with what does the character want, how does he feel when he gets there. And all of that we portray has got to really do with that goal at the end of it, which is, it's a fallen hero, it's an opportunistic man, it's somebody who compromises his value system in trying to get ahead. It's a film about ambition. So all of that is actually here to look at what the film is saying, which is at the end, which says, kya khoya, kya paya. So I think that, like I said before, we could have put this film in any industry. And sometimes when you're looking at that industry, there may be some things which are true, some things that are not so true. We have had enough stuff about the film industry, which I can also turn around and say, technically, excuse me, but that's not how we do it or don't do it, etc. But that is not what the film is about. I think that is most important, that everybody understands that that's not what we are making over here. We are making a film about a man who eventually, in a way, looks at you and breaks the fourth wall, which is completely unheard of in a film like this, where it's a philosophical metaphor about the dhamakas that happen outside and the dhamakas that happen inside. And it's literally the inside that we're really interested in, which is, here's a guy who looks into camera and says, will you become like me? Is this what you will lose? Is this what you will gain? Are these the value systems that you live for? And that is what I want to put out into society. So I think that eventually, as long as you've received that, which I'm hoping that you've received, because in a way, and I'm hoping that you've received it with feeling, then I think that we're successful.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so
It was
much.
lovely talking to you guys. And
Thank you.
next episode on The Queen, you will see Soham, okay?
Yes.
We can't wait to.
Yes.
We insist.
Have to.
We
Yes.
insist.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. It was so sweet. Thank you.